Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Polio Jr. And in today's video, I just wanted to show you how to, um, stream or cast from YouTube to any operating system. It doesn't matter which one it is, Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. So before we start, just know that both of the, the cell phone and the computer that you're using have to be on the same wireless network. And also, you have to either disable your firewall or create an exception for this program in order for it to work. So, going into that, um, let's get started. So, right now, as you can see on the actual desktop here, I'll put the link in the description. We just want to go to, don't worry about all the extra things here. All we want to go to is clone or download. And so we click that, we click download zip, and I've already downloaded it. So as soon as you open up the zip file, extract it, and then you're going to end up with this folder right here, Nodecast dash master. And in here, so we're going to just be doing it for Windows, which is Win32 or 64. If you were doing it for Mac, it would be this one. If you're doing it for Linux, etc., it would be those. So from here, we're just going to go to the Windows. I'm just doing it for Windows today. So I'm going to open up this folder. Don't worry about all this extra stuff that's on here, all these extra files. We just want to get down to, let me get my face out of here. We just want to get down to Nodecast .exe. So what I'm going to do first is I can create an exclusion on my firewall for this specific program. But what I'm going to do to just make it easy is I use Komodo. So what I'm going to do is just get my face out of there again and go to firewall. I'm going to disable my firewall temporarily. So for Komodo, it asks how long it's going to be disabled for. So I'm just going to do it for 15 minutes. Okay. So now we're clear. So before we even start, I'll show you real quick. When I go to now, it's trying to connect to the Roku on my network. So let's see here. Okay, so so as you can see, it just says, if you can see, it says Roku streaming stick, and that's the only thing that's available at the moment until we open up Nodecast. We open that up, we get me out of the way, close this up, get this to full screen, and now you actually see Paul-PC, and that's the one that I'm going to select. And it should just go right to that, as you can see. And that's it. Anything else I want to do on the phone, stream forward, so forth, go to any other videos that I want. I'm more than capable of doing so. So this is a very simple process. It's really not that difficult. So, and just to make things easier, let's close this out. Let's go back to Nodecast. So if you are using Windows, let's go back to the Windows 32, and then we can actually just make a shortcut on this. So let's send to desktop, or at least it should have went to the desktop. Maybe not. Okay, send to desktop. There it is. Okay. So instead of going, but keep this exactly wherever you're going to put it, and then you can just go right into this, and it'll come to the same screen ready to cast and so forth. So this is definitely not a very entertaining video. It was just more of an instructional video. So I hope this helped anybody who actually wants to stream from YouTube to their computer. I haven't tested out the other functions as far as streaming anything else, but as long as you have that icon in which you can, um, in which you can see everything that you can stream to, then you'll have no problem. So, all right, that's all I have for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Later.